Hello, it's Carla Dennis coming to you with her weekly tax chat. I want to know, are you ready for this new Trump tax plan? 2018 is the year that this new tax plan goes into effect. And if you have not planned, you are probably going to get trumped. Did you know that your state income tax deduction is going to be limited? Did you know that you're going to miss out on itemized deductions like union dues, uniforms, and other 2106 expenses that you're used to having? Did you know that you're going to lose the write-off for your children this year? Yes, you are. If you have not planned, now's the time to make sure that you don't leave Uncle Sam a tip. I want to tell you about 3 strategies that you should be employing right now. Number 1, get a tax projection done to see exactly where you are with your income taxes. You do not want to owe Uncle Sam, and as quiet as it's kept, you do not want to get a refund. Number 2, change your withholdings. If IRS owes you a refund or your state revenue department, get it on your paycheck right now or reduce your estimated tax payments. Do not let IRS keep your money and wait for that refund. Number 3, if you haven't already done so, you need to do strategic tax planning and really drill down on your tax DNA. Do you ever wonder why the rich don't pay taxes? Well, I have the answer to that. That is because they tax plan and you can too. I am Carla Dennis. Reach out to me at 1-800-878-4051 and don't get trumped on your taxes. Bye for now.